Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel or Mehu Pinky. Today I'm going to show you how to drape Mekhela Sador. Mekhela Sador is the indigenous traditional Assamese attire that comes in two parts. So before getting into your Mekhela, you need to wear your matching petticoat and heels, of course. So here is my Mekhela Sador, my matching blouse and matching petticoat. So here is the Mekhela. It's stitched from both the sides.
If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark?
Now I will get into my Mekhela like this.
Hear the sound beat of my weak heart. This is a lie to see.
Now I will take any joining side of my Mekhela and I will start folding my pleats like this. In Mekhela we do the pleats facing right side of your waist, just like opposite to sari. In Mekhela you will get 3 pleats maximum. The healthier you are, the lesser pleats you will have. So in my case I got 3 pleats. Now hold your pleats together and press them from top to bottom with the help of your hand so that it should align to each other. If your pleats are still not aligned to each other, then you need to do one technique, that is pin the pleats with the help of a safety pin. So I did the pinning and now hold it like this and take it out.
Hear the sound beat of my weak heart. This is a lie to see. You gave me last night full of bright lights and take away my fear.
Now place your Mekhela on your bed. So I have placed it on my bed. Now keep the pleats together from top to bottom.
To see, you gave me last night full of bright lights and take away my fear. Falling asleep when I fall down, will you follow me into the dark? When we bleed out, will you carry me into the light?
Now you need to iron them. Iron them very carefully because it's a silk fabric, so you need to be very careful, and these fabrics are so expensive.
If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights? Let me believe. Let me.
Now I'm done with ironing my pleats. It's ready to wear now. I need to get into my Mekhela again like this.
You are the wrong.
So I got into my Mekhela. As I told you before, in Mekhela we do the pleats facing to the right side of our waist. Before tucking the pleats, you need to remove the safety pin.
And and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry?
Now tuck the upper portion of your pleats into your petticoat and tuck it from behind as well.
And skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the...
So I'm done draping my mekhela now.
It's the wrong time to surrender.
Now I will show you how to wear the sador. It looks similar from both the sides, just like dupatta. Here I will show you two draping style of sador. So let's get started.
It's the wrong time.
For the first draping style, you just roughly place your one side of your sador on your shoulder, just like sari. How much length you want for your achal, and then pin it to make it secure.
Carry me into the lights, lights, let me believe.
Now take the other side of your sador from your behind around your waist like this.
Hear the strong beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You gave me last night full of bright lights, and take away my fear of falling asleep when I fall down.
Make some small pleats. Pleats can be more, it can be less according to your body type. Now hold them together and tuck them inside. You need to manage the pleats with the help of your hand. Now for the top part of your sador, it can be open, it can be pleated, just like sari. Here I am showing the first style of draping, so I'll keep it open. So I'm done with my first draping style. This is how it looks.
If the world is an image in my mind, then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture.
Now for the second one, we need to make the pleats. I'll place my sador on my bed to make the pleats. I'm doing my pleats now. Pleats can be broad, it can be thin. I prefer thin pleats.
And I would be more grateful if I could. If the world is an image in my mind, then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture, 'cause everything's unfolding as it should. And
Then iron the pleats carefully. I do this iron technique because it gives the perfect alignment. Pleats looks more aligned with each other.
Folding as it should. And I would be more grateful if I could. If the world isn't...
I'm done with ironing and it's ready to wear now. Now place the sador on your shoulder according to your length, how much length you want for your achal, just like sari.
Yes, when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture, 'cause everything's unfolding as it should. And I would be more grateful if...
And then pin it to make it secure.
Everything's unfolding as it should. And I would be more grateful if I could. If the world is an image in...
And for the bottom part, take the other side of your sador around your waist like this.
Everything's unfolding as it should. And I will
Hold it here and make a zigzag pleats.
I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture, 'cause everything's unfolding as it...
Now tuck the upper portion inside. Now you need to pin it, otherwise it will keep flaring from here.
Then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with it.
You need to pin it from inside so that it won't be visible.
Then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture, 'cause everything's unfolding as it should.
Now you need to manage your pleats around your chest, around your hips with the help of your hand.
Then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture, 'cause everything's unfolding as it should. And I would be more...
Finally, I am done with my Mekhela Sador draping. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could put a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build